Everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cartoon face 3D trend on Snapchat. Now let's get started. First, open your Snapchat, and in here you can click search icon at the top right. Click on it, and in here you can search cartoon face. And then you can click this one, cartoon face die. Click on it, and hi, and finish. So that's how to add cartoon face 3D trend on Snapchat. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.